Welcome to the haunting abyss of 2024, a year where the sun transforms into a cosmic malevolence, casting an ominous pallor over our existence. Prepare, for in this moment, fear grips the hearts of those who dare to witness. What was once the giver of life now unveils a dark secret, a potential superstorm, a cataclysmic force capable of plunging our world into an abyss of unprecedented terror. This is not a scientific exploration, it is a descent into the heart of cosmic horror. Brace yourselves, for the journey has just begun. In the sinister tapestry of the year 2024, our collective gaze is ensnared by an otherworldly horror, transcending the earthly confines and directing our eyes to the celestial abyss. The sun, once revered as the lifeblood of our existence, now emerges as a malevolent force, poised on the precipice of its 11-year cycle's crescendo, the dreaded solar maximum. This is no ordinary astronomical event, it is a cosmic overture, an impending manifestation of terror, where the sun, our celestial benefactor turned malevolent puppeteer, choreographs a dance of destruction through its solar storms. Picture, if you dare, this ominous cosmic ballet, a grand performance, not of celestial beauty, but of unspeakable horror. The sun, an incandescent sphere of malevolence, readies itself to unleash upon our unsuspecting world a cascade of solar storms, each ripple amplifying the impending dread. As the solar maximum approaches, the very fabric of our reality seems to unravel, and a looming sense of unease tightens its grip on the collective human psyche. The science of solar storms. Delve into the malevolent science that underpins this celestial malevolence. The sun, a cosmic cauldron of plasma, convulses violently, birthing solar flares, intense explosions of radiation that portend a cosmic malevolence. These flares, like tendrils of darkness reaching out, can trigger coronal mass ejections, CMEs, fiery clouds of superheated plasma hurtling with malevolent intent toward our unsuspecting Earth. The collision of these diabolical entities with our planet's magnetic field births a harrowing, geomagnetic storm, unleashing a cascade of nightmarish effects, from hauntingly beautiful auroras to the eerie disruption of radio communication, the disarray of GPS systems, and the ghastly specter of power grid failures. Are we in for a superstorm? Beware, for the whispers of dread extend beyond scientific prognostications. Experts, not as heralds of hope but as grim reapers of knowledge, predict that the 2024 solar maximum will not be a mere astronomical event but a relentless tempest of destruction, an apocalyptic superstorm whose tendrils of chaos threaten to ensnare society in a cataclysmic dance of despair. The dread, palpable and all-encompassing, creeps into the very foundations of our existence, casting shadows on the tapestry of our perceived reality. Preparing for the solar fury. As the malevolent storm looms on the cosmic horizon, feeble attempts at preparedness and resilience emerge, frail defenses against an impending cosmic onslaught. Monitoring. Space weather agencies, acting as the sentinels of our doom, relentlessly monitor the sun's nefarious activities, providing real-time updates that serve as a haunting prelude to the impending cosmic calamity. Infrastructure protection. Desperation manifests as we attempt to shield our vulnerable systems, power grids, communication networks, and satellites, from the impending onslaught, investing in futile hardening and redundancy measures against the cosmic malevolence. Public awareness. In the eerie calm before the cosmic storm, a desperate plea for public awareness echoes, an attempt to empower the masses with knowledge, though it be a cruel irony in the face of impending cosmic annihilation. Beyond the threat. Opportunities in the storm. Yet, in the vortex of cosmic dread, a perverse sense of opportunity emerges, a twisted silver lining in the looming abyss. The human cost of a superstorm. As we teeter on the precipice, we must confront the ghastly consequences that lie beyond mere technological disruptions. Power outages. The encroaching darkness, both literal and metaphorical, as widespread blackouts cripple communication, transportation, and healthcare systems, leaving the vulnerable to suffer in silence amid the cosmic cacophony. GPS errors. The symphony of chaos intensifies as navigation systems critical for aviation, maritime operations, and emergency response succumb to the malevolent forces, leading to unmitigated disasters and shattered rescue efforts in the pitch-black abyss. Radiation exposure. A silent killer lurking in the shadows, astronauts and high-altitude aircraft passengers condemned to endure dangerous levels of radiation. A slow and agonizing descent into the abyss of irreversible health risks. Silver linings and unexpected heroes. Yet, in the face of this cosmic horror, a twisted sense of hope emerges, human ingenuity thriving in the crucible of despair. Community resilience. Feeble attempts at resistance, as local communities band together in a desperate bid for survival, sharing meager resources and developing feeble alternatives, a macabre model for future disaster preparedness amid the cosmic desolation. Technological innovation. The relentless pursuit of mitigation solutions. A desperate race against time, as advancements in space weather forecasting, grid resilience, and satellite shielding technologies emerge as feeble shields against the impending cosmic onslaught. Global cooperation. In the shadow of the malevolent storm, political divides crumble, replaced by a grim necessity for global cooperation on space weather research and disaster response, a unity forged in the crucible of impending doom. Conclusion. As we stand on the precipice of a solar spectacle, there is no solace, only the unsettling realization that our fate hangs by a thread. Embrace this period with the grim knowledge that our efforts, feeble though they may be, offer a scant hope for survival. When facing the sun's fury united, we may illuminate a path, a dim, flickering beacon, towards an uncertain, perilous future for those who endure amid the malevolent cosmic symphony.